How to add a debit or credit card to PayPal. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to link a card to your PayPal account. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal app. Now once you are in, tap on this wallet at the bottom right. Tap on it. This is where you will manage your payments methods. Now tap or click on this add credit cards. Now after clicking on it, you will see two options, banks and debit and credit cards. Simply tap on this debit and credit cards, and here you can see you can either scan your card or enter your card info. Tap on enter your card info. Okay, use the Face ID to sign in. Okay, once you are signed in, you can add your card number right here. Okay, now you can also scan from this scanner right here. You can just enter manually. Once you enter it, tap on link card, and that's it. Your card will be linked to PayPal by this. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.